Although I am not speaking to her anymore. Hey, let's go out the wheel. Harry, cousin Louis, no, I am up. 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 You're out.
No, you have to sign off.
But what is no down and in the care. Hey, Uncle, why that down? I thought they're gonna go around and go together.
You almost done?
No, but they're running under the seesaw by themselves. But there's all enough paper too, also. You gotta be doing that. Really? I sure do. You're not supposed to be so. Time to get off. I'm gonna do Poker Rescues, Cousin Louie. Let's hope it's in the right way and listen to it. That sounds pretty good, cousin. Come on, Oswald. Do you think you hear what just called me? It's your dad. He is not your dad. Thanks, Daisy. I see you tomorrow. See ya. Oh, they're gone.